So for this cross stitch, I have marked off 2 pencil lines here and about 1 centimetre per dot. Just put the dots out just to show you one way that I would do a cross stitch. So obviously I'm working on some felt fabric here which I've stretched into this wooden embroidery hoop, and that'll just keep it nice and stable. And then this is just one way of doing it. So you do numerous diagonals, just going from the bottom dot over to the top diagonally. And then once you have done the row, you're going to start on the right hand side there, bring your needle up, and I'm just going to head over to the left hand side. So you're creating these diagonals which will then form the crosses. And then just tie a knot on the back. And then the second way that you can do the cross stitch, I've just drawn out another parallel line with pencil. And these are just 2 ways that I would approach doing the cross stitch. And then you just tie a knot on the back. You can also go larger with your cross stitches as well.